Discover the secret to turning your thoughts into income by blending the power of Medium.com with the vast potential of Clickbank affiliate marketing. First, let's master your foundation on Medium.com. Think of Medium as your blog and your stage to attract readers. You need to consistently publish high-quality, engaging articles. Focus on a niche you're passionate about or knowledgeable in your content. Should aim to inform, entertain, or solve a problem for your target audience. This builds trust and establishes you as a credible source. Now, let's weave in the Clickbank magic. Once you have your valuable content ready, it's time to strategically integrate Clickbank affiliate products. Don't just shove links in. We're talking about subtle, value-driven promotion. There are a few effective methods. One is through product reviews. If you've genuinely used a product that aligns with your article's topic, write an honest review, highlighting its benefits and how it can help your readers. Another is by recommending helpful tools or resources within your content. This could be a paragraph dedicated to, for instance, if you're struggling with problem your article addresses, I found this Clickbank product to be incredibly effective. When choosing products from Clickbank, always prioritize quality and relevance. Your audience's trust is paramount. Ensure the product you're promoting truly offers value and solves a problem. Look for products with good conversion rates and strong vendor support. Remember to always use your unique Clickbank affiliate link. When directing readers to a product, you can find these links within your Clickbank account. The key is integration. Your recommendations should feel like a natural extension of the great content you're providing, not a forced advertisement. By consistently creating exceptional content on Medium and strategically weaving in relevant Clickbank product recommendations, you're not just writing articles. You're building a pathway to earning affiliate commissions and generating online income. Start sharing your knowledge and watch your earnings grow.